Dear students, today's lecture on Freundlich adsorption isotherm. As we know, the concept of adsorption. Adsorption, it is surface phenomenon. It implies that there is deposition or accumulation of adsorbate at the surface of adsorbent, and it is exothermic phenomenon. That means during the adsorption process, heat energy is evolved. Now, what is adsorption isotherm? It is a relationship between equilibrium pressure of gas and amount of gas adsorbed at the surface of adsorbent at constant temperature. It gives adsorption isotherm. It may be expressed in the form of equation, or it may be the graphical curve. Let us learn more here. Dear students, Freundlich proposed an empirical mathematical form of equation. W upon m is equal to k into p power of 1 upon n. Now, where the terms W is the mass of the gas adsorbed, that means it is adsorbate, and m is the mass of the solid, that is adsorbent. Now, P is the pressure of gas, and K and N are constants, but the value of N is less than 1. This is the equation of the isotherms, and this curve, the plot of this, the amount of the substance adsorbed versus pressure, it gives a curve, this curve, and this curve is known as adsorption isotherm. It takes place at constant temperature. Now, by taking the log on both sides, log of the W upon m is equal to log of k plus 1 upon n log of p. This gives a straight line equation. See here, it gives a straight line equation, this is, and therefore the plot of this, the log of the amount of the substance or gas adsorbed versus log of pressure, it gives a straight line, and the slope of this straight line is 1 by n, and the intercept at y-axis is log k. Now, what indicate this is the nature of the graph? See carefully here. Here is the pressure, here is the amount of the gas adsorbed. This is the here adsorption. Adsorption increases with increase in pressure. Here at low pressure, increasing pressure, that means adsorption is directly proportional to the pressure, but it is limit at certain moderate pressure. Now here increasing the pressure, there is a slight curvature. What indicated? It indicate at high pressure the adsorption is less, or it is not in favor. At high pressure adsorption is not in favor. Thus the curve or the plot, it is the Freundlich adsorption isotherm, and this does not apply for the at high pressure. It showed by this slight curvature. Now the conclusion made on this the plot is, dear students, observation were made from the plots are, it is found that the plots were straight line at low pressure. This is first observation. Second, while at high pressure showed a slight curvature, and this indicate that Freundlich equation does not apply to adsorption of gases by solids at high pressure. These are the observations of the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Okay, thank you.